You know what's more painful than editing a video? Going through 45 minutes of raw footage where you said the same lines 7 times because your brain refused to cooperate. But what if I told you there's a plugin for Premiere Pro that uses AI to automatically cut out all your bad takes with one prompt? And it's not one of those videos which will teach you nonsense. This is a real tool doing real edits inside Premiere Pro. You can grab it from the first link in the description. There's a free trial so you can test it before spending a single dollar. So AutoEdit is a plugin that runs inside Premiere Pro using Claude AI. And what it does is simple but insane. You give it your raw footage, tell it what your video is about, and it transcribes the entire thing, figures out which parts are bad takes, which parts are repeats where you said the same thing 3 times, which parts are just you breathing and pausing like you forgot how to speak, and it marks all of that for deletion. Let me show you how. So this is the interface of this plugin. And you can find a bunch of useful features, and I will discuss my favorite ones later in video. But first, we will open the Creator Mode panel. You'll see a prompt field. This is where you tell the AI what your video is about. So for this clip, I'm going to type something like, "This is about me talking about AI plugins." That's it. You don't need to write an essay. Next, you can tell what your video format, like a TikTok talking head, YouTube vlog, Instagram Reels, etc. And then choose the tone and style by here. And then click this Edit Rough Cut button. Now what's happening behind the scenes is AutoEdit transcribes your entire video and starts understanding what to cut. It's using the audio to detect where the retake and pauses are located inside video, and this is the reason why it only works for talking head videos. This might take a couple minutes depending on your clip length. So go ahead, take a glass of water and pour it on your system, or just wait. Waiting is probably the safer option. Boom, done. Look at your timeline. The gray parts. Those are the bad takes, the repeats, the filler. AutoEdit has marked all of them and it's keeping only the good stuff, but you don't have to trust the AI blindly. It gives you a text-based edit list where you can scroll through your transcript, line by line, and decide what stays and what goes. Full control. It keeps only the last take of each repeated segment. So if you said, "Welcome back to the channel" 3 times, it keeps the best one and cuts the other 2. It's like having an assistant editor who actually knows what they're doing. Now let's see how we can make it even more better. Before you hit apply, there's one more thing, the silence trimmer. This trims the boundaries at the beginning and end of each sentence. So if you take a breath before speaking or pause after a line, this cuts that off. I usually go with 0.1 seconds. Hit apply all, and boom, your entire timeline is edited. So let me play the final result for you.
Today I'm going to be going over 4 AI plugins to help you automatically edit your videos 10 times faster. So if you're a video editor, you make music videos, event recap videos, content for YouTube, Instagram, Pod Talks, you name it. Honestly, any type of video really. You know how long the editing process can be. It's so painful to have to repeat the same exact setup.
As you can see, it has automatically cut out all the bad takes, removed the silences, the filler words, and the repeats, which is exactly what we want. The next feature which I like the most is this Auto Reframe, and let me show you what it does. So initially, it will ask you the video aspect ratio, so I'm doing it for Instagram, so I will select this 9:16 ratio. And next we have this 3 buttons. Basically, it determines how much tracking you want in your video. So I will select responsive 1 and press Reframe. And now if you play your video, you can notice the subject is always being in center of the frame. And if you play it, you can notice it throughout the video. And if you have to do it manually, I'm pretty sure it would require many keyframes and effort to achieve this, and you can do it in simple clicks. Next, we have this Paste Image features, and this allows you to copy any image no matter where it is. Like I can copy this image from here and paste it in, load it inside this plugin and paste it in the timeline. And we skipped multiple annoying steps like saving the image and organizing it and then importing it. This plugin also has some really great features like adding engaging subtitles, editing multicam footages during podcasts, and much more. If you want to know more in depth about this tool, then check out this channel. So, to wrap this up, AutoEdit is not replacing you as an editor. It's replacing the part of editing that nobody enjoys, and you handle the creative side. So don't forget to check it out from the first link in the description. I hope you learned something new in this video. And if you don't want to miss this kind of informative tutorials, then hit that bell icon to stay notified.